Inside the Settings menu, we will find the camera settings. Here, we can adjust some of our basic camera settings and also see our current location. First, let's talk about the camera speed. The camera speed defaults at 100 and can be decreased or increased by pulling the slider to the left or to the right. If, for instance, I put the slider at 200 and I use my context menu to go to another location, you'll see that my camera will rapidly move to that other location. To demonstrate the difference, when I pull the slider all the way to the left, to 25, which is the lowest speed, I can use the context menu via the 2D map to, again, move to another location. You will see that now. The camera in the 3D world moves a lot slower. Please note that changing the camera speed will have no effect on manually navigating the 3D world using the left mouse button. Below the camera speed setting, we have the pitch and the angle of view. Pitch refers to how much the camera is tilted up or down. Tilting the camera up increases the pitch, while tilting the camera down decreases it. A number of 0 means the camera is looking straight ahead. Note that you cannot change the pitch in the camera settings menu. Angle of view means how wide or narrow the camera lens is, which determines how much of the scene is visible without changing the camera's position. A lower number means a narrower lens, so less of the scene is visible, while a higher number means that the camera lens is wider, so more of the scene is visible. I'll set it back to 75, which is the default. The optimal angle of view is based on two things: the distance between your eyes and your screen, and how width your screen is in centimeters. If you are having trouble finding the correct angle of view, you can let Windplanner help you with this by clicking on the Calculate Optimal Angle of View button. Here, you can enter at what distance your eyes are from the screen and how width your 3D world is. As you can see, Windplanner returns a number, what should be the correct angle of view based on your situation. You can hit the Apply button to set the angle of view automatically. Within the camera settings, you can also see information about your current camera location and current camera altitude. Both the position and altitude can be changed here manually if you want to. For instance, if you want your camera to be at an exact location. Note that the position will always use your currently chosen coordinate system, which, in our case, is WGS84. Please note that all of the camera settings, as well as information about your current location, can also be found in the quick menu in the left bottom corner of your screen. You can make the same changes here, including the pitch. The exception is the camera speed, which can only be changed through the camera settings menu.